NCERT video welcome you. Today we are going to start Chapter 7 Lina's Family. Let's start Chapter 7 Lina's Family. Lina's family get together. Lina's family get together. Lina stays with her family in a village. She stays with her grandparents, parents, and a brother Sanbor. Her uncles, aunts, and cousins live near their house. You can see here a photo of Lina's family is given. This is Lina. You can see grandfather, grandmother, Lina's father, Lina's mother, and Lina's brother Sanbur. Lina is standing on the stool. You can see Lina is standing on the stool. She likes to be tall, so she is standing on the stool. Find out and circle the tallest member in the family. Find out who is the tallest. You can see Lina's father is the tallest and circle it. Lina's family invited all the family members for a get together. You can see all family members have been invited. These include uncle, aunt, and the cousin brother, cousins. Okay, cousins. This is okay, cousins. This is boy. This is girl. Okay, you can see again. This is Lina's grandfather. This is Lina's grandmother. Lina's father, Lina's mother, Lina's uncle, Lina's aunt, and Lina's cousin, and Lina's brother Sanbol. Okay, this is Lina. Let us talk A. How many members are there in Lina's family? You can count how many members are there in the Lina's family. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The total number of family members is 10. B. Tick the tallest member in the family. You can see Lina's father is the tallest. You can tick on the Lina's father. C. Draw a cap on the shortest family member. You have to draw a cap on the shortest family member. Okay, this is Lina's cousin. Okay, this girl is Lina's cousin. She is the shortest. D. Who is taller than Lina's mother and but shorter than Lina's father? You can see this the uncle is uh, taller than Lina's mother but shorter than Lina's father. Then you have to write uncle, Lina's uncle. E. Who is tallest and shortest member of your family? You have to see your family members who is shortest and who is the tallest and write their names. Who is the tallest child in your class? You have to write the who is the tallest child name, the child name who is the tallest in the class. G. How many children in your classroom are taller than you? How many children? You have to count the number of children that are taller than you and write the numbers here. You can see a picture of a school, shop, and two houses, 1 and 2. This is shop, this is school. It's given here. You have to see the picture very carefully and answer the following question. Linas live in the hut-shaped house in the hilly area. Okay, hut-shaped house in the hilly area. Can you locate her house in the picture? Circle the correct option. You have to circle the correct option here. Her house is nearest to farthest from the shop. Okay, her house is nearest to or farthest from the shop and nearest to farthest from the school. Okay, you can see her house is farthest from the school as well as the shop. Okay, if you compare, then it is nearer than the shop but farthest from the school. Okay, farthest from the school, then you have to circle here nearest to shop, nearest to the shop, and farthest circle the farthest from the school. B, the school is nearest to or farthest from the shop, school is just near the shop. Okay, then you have to circle nearest to, and the nearest to or farthest from the red roof houses. House, red roof house, that is this one farthest from that house. Okay, red roof house farthest from red roof houses. See, the child is nearest to or farthest from the school bus. You can see child is nearest to the school bus, nearest to school bus, and nearest to or farthest from the school. The child is farthest from the school, then you have to circle farthest from. Amazing fact, this is the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. You can see this is the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also called the Statue of Unity. This statue is called Statue of Unity. It is tallest statue in the world. This is the tallest statue in the world and is located in Gujarat, India. Okay, this is located in Gujarat, India. Then you have to remember which is the tallest statue in the world. The statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is called Statue of Unity, is the tallest statue in the world. It is located in Gujarat, India. Okay, let us do a, tick the one which is longest. You have to tick the one which is longest. This pencil is longest, this curl is the longest. Okay, you have to tick here. B, tick the one which is shortest. This is shortest lady finger and this short is shortest, you have to tick here. C, tick the one which is thickest. This book is thickest, this box is thickest, you have to tick here. D, tick the one which is thinnest. This tree is thinnest, this candle is thinnest, you have to tick here. Think and do. Draw a stick or bamboo longer than this. You have to draw a stick or bamboo longer than this. Okay, similarly a rope, draw a rope shorter than this. Then you have to draw a rope shorter than this rope. Okay, this rope, this is shorter than this rope. Dadi is checking the length of the Chitra's sweater by hand span. Okay, Dadi is checking the Chitra's sweater by hand span. It is ready. We can also use fingers for smaller object. We can use also use finger for the smaller objects. Chitra also wants to find out the length of stick, table, pencil and notebook using her hand span. Chitra wants to find the length of the book, pencil and bamboo stick and table with hand span. You can also do the same. Think and answer. A, my table is this much hand span long. B, my bag is this much hand span long. Okay, you have to uh, measure your table with using hand span. Hand span means the distance between the thumb and little finger. Okay, the distance between thumb and little finger is known as hand span. Okay, this distance, okay, this distance from thumb and little finger is known as hand span. See, my classroom blackboard is this much dash hand span long. D, my math books is dash hand span long. E, my arm is arm means your elbow, distance from your elbow to your hand. You have to measure with another hand and say how much hand span long. Your arm is how much hand span long. My arm is dash hand span long. F, my friend's arm is dash hand span long. Okay, you have to measure your friend's arm and write the number of hand span it is. Can Chitra use the hand span to find the length of these things? Find out and circle which things around you are shorter than hand span. You have to this is shorter than your hand span. This may be okay. Then shorter than your hand span. This is all these things are longer than your hand span. These things can be easily measured using your hand span. Let us do. What would you choose, hand span or fingers, to find the length of these objects and why? Okay, few figures are given. You have to write which you will use, your hand span or fingers, to measure. You can use both. Okay, these things you can use both fingers as well as hand span. Circle your opinion in the table. Try guessing finding the length of these objects. You have to try guessing the length of these objects. Okay, you can use hand span as well as finger. You can use hand span as well finger for spoon and bottle too. You can use, if your pencil is shorter, then you have to use fingers. Okay, my friends knows you have to use your finger to measure. Your leg, you can use hand span as well as fingers. Okay, key, you have to use fingers only. Okay, this is short. Measure by foot span. If you walk, then the distance between your two legs is known as foot span. Okay, distance between the seat and the door of the classroom. Walk and go to your classroom door of your the classroom and write the foot span that you walk. One side of classroom. Distance between the bed and washroom. Okay, you have to measure it in foot span. Distance between two walls of your room. You have to measure between distance between two walls of the room. Let us do. A, tick the heavier object. This is heavier because it is bucket. Okay, this is heavier because it is watermelon, and the other is orange, the other is mug here. Okay. B, tick the lighter object. This is salt is lighter. You can tick here. Tick the lighter object. This bottle is lighter. You can tick on this. Okay, color the heavier object. This is the heavier object. Okay, okay, this bucket is heavier object. You can color. This is a heavier object, bottle. You can color it. This uh, this uh, quilt this quilt is heavier. You can color it. This is coconut. This is light. Okay, this is heavier. Color the lighter object. The question asked here, color the lighter object. This is lighter object. Okay, and this mug is lighter than this pot. Okay, this ball is lighter than this ball. This container is uh, empty and lighter than this full container. Okay, bag, actually it is a bag. Let us talk. A, who is happier between you and your friend? How will you find out? Discuss in the class. You have to measure your weight and your friends, and who is heavier, write in that in class. B, find out your weight. Can you tell how and where your weight is usually checked? You have to write where your weight is usually checked, your in school or in hospital, etc. Let us do. A, fill the bucket with water. Dash jugs of water will fill the bucket. Dash glasses of water will fill the bucket. Dash bowls of water will fill the bucket. You have to pour the water from jug to this bucket, using glasses to this bucket, using bowls to this bucket, and write the number of buckets, write the number of jugs, glasses and bowls here. B, answer the following question. 1. How many cups of water will fill your water bottle? You have to measure how many cups of water will be required to fill your water bottle. Second, fill your friend's water bottle with the same cup, and how many cups of water will fill your friend's bottle. You have to write it here. Third, which bottle hold more water, your friend's or yours? Fourth, try it with another bottle. Which bottle holds less water? You have to write here. Whose bottle hold less water? Circle the one which holds more water. This bucket will hold more water. This glass will hold more water than the cup. This pot will hold more water than this pot. This bottle will hold more water than this cup. This kettle, okay, this kettle will hold more water this than bottle. Okay. D, water is very useful for us. Okay, water is very useful for us. Take the amount of water you need for the following activities. For brushing the teeth, you need a mug full of water, not a bucket full of water. Okay. For bathing you need a bucket full of water, not a tank. Okay. uh, Third, for preparing 2 glasses of lemon, a jug of water is sufficient. For watering a plant, a mug of water is sufficient. Project work. Discuss why it is important to take water in a bucket for bathing instead of shower or running tap water. Okay, running tap water and shower will uh, lose water much more than the bucket, and the wastage of water will take place. So you have to bath using a bucket rather than shower or running tap water. B. Tear the and paste colorful strips to make the portion of the strips short and long another longer. You have to tear colorful paper and the paste the shorter here and the longer here. The strips should be of different sizes. Okay. See, list the things which are easier to carry and which are difficult to carry. Easier to carry such as pencil, pen. Difficult to carry bag. Okay, easier to carry box. Difficult to carry cylinder, gas cylinder. Okay, you can fill like this. D, get bottles, bowls and glasses of different sizes. Now see how many glasses of bowls and or water can fill the bottle. Which of these can hold more water? Okay, you can do this activity. What teachers instruction is here. Ask children how many glasses of water they drink in a day. Discuss and sensitize them about water getting wasted around them. What they would do if water is left in the glass? Should it be thrown or given to the plants? Also discuss other ways of saving water, like closing the tap when it not in use, reusing water, etc. For more videos you can subscribe NCERT video. Thank you.